Hello everyone. Political uncertainty in Japan and in Europe is shaking up markets, with the yen sliding and Swiss franc back in the spotlight in what feels like a battle of safe havens. This is why we're focusing on Swiss franc, Japanese yen as a pair with potential moves this week. Now the pair is testing key resistance level. So let's take a look at the technicals. On the daily chart, Swiss franc Japanese yen has been consolidating below the 186 resistance zone, which is tested but failed to break. The pair is now pulling back, respecting this key resistance level. Similar to a previous move we've seen earlier in this year, when a breakout attempt was followed by a sharp drop before prices later recovered. Now we have immediate support to watch sits near 184.2, which has acted as a strong pivot level during recent trading. A break below 184.2 could open the way toward deeper support near 181.5. However, if pessimism remains around a lack of change in Japan's monetary policy and political uncertainty keeps the yen under pressure, while safe haven inflows continue to support the Swiss franc, a break above 186 could shift momentum higher, with upside targets at 187.25 and 188.8.